What's up, guys? We're here in Elite Sports Cards. We're doing the team randoms for Pristine Case number 2, Group Break 180. We're going to go live at 2:31 here in Denver. 2:31. So I got all the names copy and pasted twice, and all the teams minus Seattle and Vegas. So each list is going to go 3 times. Whatever team you match up with is the team you get. 1, 2, 3. Mr. Corey on top after 3. And teams 1, 2, 3. New Jersey on top. All right, guys, I'll scroll through this real quick just so you guys can see. Patrick, Montreal, it's a good team. All right, I will do one last timestamp. 2:33, 2:33.